Alright, hey guys, I'm here with my 2007 Subaru Impreza wagon. This is kind of going to be an FYI video. I bought a eBay, I know, don't make fun of me, Strut Bar for my Subaru. I have one in the rear. It fit okay, had to do a little bit of a budget, or how do you say, prying to make it fit. Same goes for this one. They're cheap. They do help a little bit with handling, but it's almost not worth it. But mine were like 30 bucks each, so big deal. But yeah, this being an FYI video, I wanted to kind of, wow, loud diesel, make it aware. If you get one for the front and you have AC, you're gonna have a bad time. That's putting it lightly. It would not fit, period, when I first tried to put it on. The AC line goes exactly where the rear bar there that bends out and follows the firewall. It follows that line exactly. What I had to do to make it fit, there's a little bracket right here. There's 2 bolts, and then there's a little rubber isolator on it that clamps to the AC line, so that way, you know, when your motor's vibrating, it doesn't bend the line, obviously. To make it fit, that bracket was actually flipped the other way around, and the rubber isolator was about here facing up, so I had to flip it upside down and then bend it up just a little bit. Kind of hard to get in here. Had to bend up just a little bit and put the rubber isolator on the top, or flip around. I guess now it'd be on the bottom. Had to put it like that and kind of bend the AC line just a little bit, because originally that clamp is more like over here. So I had to move the clamp over here, flip that whole mount, and then bend the line just a little bit so it would fit underneath the bar. Now everything fits. It's actually not touching anywhere. I made sure it goes under there. It's flipping close, but you know, I can still check my brake fluid just fine. It's close, but like I said, it fits. It doesn't touch the strut tower there. It's resting a little bit, but not really, on the one fuel line here, but that's right where there's a rubber isolator. So there's no worries of that rubbing through. So, obviously, yeah, I made it work, but there will be a little bit of modification involved if you want a strut bar, at least for an NA Subaru Impreza. I'm not sure, I can't speak for the WRX or STI, how they fit around the intercoolers and all that, but for an NA, just regular 2.5 Subaru Impreza, probably 2002 to 7 with the 2.5, you're going to have to move that mount and bend your AC line just a little bit to make it fit. But all in all, I guess it was worth it. I really need to clean this motor though. But yeah, just an FYI for anyone out there thinking about putting strut bars in their car. You can do it. Just, you know, be patient and be prepared to move your AC line if you have AC. Let me know if you have any questions. I can answer if you have any questions or concerns, but pretty much like I showed in the right there with that mount, that's pretty much all you have to do. Not that bad, just kind of a pain in the ass if you weren't expecting it and just brought yourself a, what was it, 12 millimeter, thinking you could just change the 6 bolts. But yeah, till then.